Hey guys, today we'll be making adorable and inexpensive rustic wedding decor. What you will need: I have a mason jar, whatever size you prefer. I have ribbon, burlap, and sheer ribbon, bow wire, the mini bowdabra bow maker and also the large bowdabra, scissors, and a hot glue gun. Now we're going to make two different wedding decor ideas. Let's get started. So the first thing I'm going to do is remove my wand. Take my bow wire, fold it in half, and place it in the center of the bowdabra. I'm going to cut my burlap ribbon and sheer ribbon into 7-inch long pieces, about 4 or 5. I'm going to cut the same in 6-inch long pieces, 5 and 4-inch long pieces. Once I have my first piece, this is 7 inches in length, I'm going to fold in half to find the center and scrunch. Fold in half, bring the front and the back up, and place it down. I'm going to repeat that step with another piece of 7-inch long burlap. Use my wand to scrunch everything together, just like that. Then I'm going to take my silk ribbon and repeat the same step. Scrunch it and place it down. And repeat the same step with the sheer ribbon. And I'm crisscrossing 3 different styles of ribbon just to make it more fun. I'm going back to another piece, and these are all 7 inches in length. Then use my wand to scrunch everything together. And then I want to start out with the 6-inch long pieces. So I'm going to gradually go from 7, 6, 5, and 4, just to give it more of a round and fun effect. So I'm going to place my 6-inch long pieces, making sure I use my wand to scrunch everything together and maneuver my bow while I have my wand in place. Just like that. It's starting to look so cute and precious. So I'm going to continue repeating the same steps with 6-inch long pieces, 5-inch long pieces, and 4-inch long pieces. Making sure I scrunch and maneuver. So I'm alternating so that you can see the burlap, the silk, and the sheer ribbon all mixed in together. So I'm going to get more pieces placed and show you what it's looking like. Alright, I'm giving it one final scrunch. It looks so cute and precious. If you want to add even more pieces, you can definitely do that. Just go with whatever works for you. Alright, I'm going to remove my wand, tie my bow wire. I'm going to take the 2 open ends inside of the loop, hold my bow in place, and give it a nice tug. And then remove it from the bowdabra. And then I'm going to tie it in a knot a couple of times just to make sure it's nice and secure. Alright, it looks so cute and precious. I'm just fluffing it out a little more. So cute. And you can use different colors. You don't have to use white. If you have another color scheme, you can definitely go for that. And now it's time to place it on the mason jar. A simple way you can do that is take the bow wire and tie it in a knot at the back of your mason jar. That's one option, and then you can add like flowers or whatever you'd like to the top. But I want to kind of have it fixed in place a little bit more, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut a piece of burlap and hot glue it around the center of my mason jar. Just like that. Then I'm going to take my bow, cut away the excess bow wire, and hot glue it to the center of my burlap. And you are all done. It's so cute, precious, simple, and inexpensive. Modify the colors to fit your theme, but this is a cute, inexpensive, rustic wedding decor idea. Such a cute idea. You can take the lid off, you can add any burlap flowers or even real flowers if you choose. You can just do so much with it. Have fun with it and make it your own. Now let's move on to our second wedding decor idea. So you're going to take the bow wire, fold it in half, and place it in the center of your bowdabra. Take a piece of burlap, scrunch, fold in half, bring the front and the back up, and place it down. And I'm not measuring, I'm just estimating, seeing whatever size looks best to me. Now I'm going to take the end of the burlap, scrunch, place it down. Then I'm going to make a loop. And then scrunch the other side. And place it down. Then I'm going to estimate the center and scrunch once more and place it down. Use my wand to scrunch everything together. And I'm going to cut away the excess burlap. Just like that. And this is actually getting pretty thick already. So what I'm going to do is actually move this bow over to the larger bowdabra. So I'm going to take my bow wire, the 2 openings inside of the loop, give it a nice tug, and remove it from the bowdabra. And then I'm going to place bow wire, fold it in half, and place it in the center of my larger bowdabra. And then slide my bow onto the larger bowdabra. Say you're making a bow that's larger than you expected, that's an easy way to transition it over. And then cut away the excess bow wire. Now I'm just going to scrunch it once more and continue on making my bow. So I'm going to take the burlap, scrunch the end, make a loop, and scrunch the other end. Estimate the center, scrunch once more, and use my wand to scrunch everything together. And then I'm going to take my silk ribbon and I'm going to make a loop and scrunch, and I'm going to leave the tail hanging off of the side and repeat the same step with the other side. Estimate the loop, scrunch, and leave the tail hanging off the side. And I'm making these loops slightly smaller than my burlap loops. And you can definitely ribbon cut the ends of these bows if you choose to do so. But I'm scrunching it all together. It looks so cute and precious. Maneuvering and adjusting while I have my wand in place. So cute. Again, don't forget you can use whatever colors you have to match your color scheme. Now I'm going to remove my bow. So take my bow wire, the 2 openings inside of the loop. Hold my bow in place and give it a nice tug. And then remove it from the bowdabra. Then I'm going to tie it in place a couple of times. There it is. It's looking so cute and precious. And now we're going to get another piece of burlap and place it over our mason jar. Hot glue it in place, and then we're going to attach our bow. And this is what it looks like. So cute, precious, simple, and easy to do. Don't forget you can add burlap flowers, real flowers, any type of decor you'd like. But these are 2 simple, rustic, inexpensive wedding decor ideas. So cute and precious. Modify the colors, the style, the size. Just have fun with it and make it your own. So cute.